Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D glass panel window in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go new drawing file, AutoCAD 3D, select, open, go view control, select top, go visual style control, select 2D frame, go coordinates, select view. Okay, press F7, go drawing units, U and enter, decimal, precision 0, select millimeters. Okay, now save file, save, go rectangle, enter, first corner point, dimension D, enter, length 1200, enter, 1350, enter, click here, Z, enter, A, enter. Okay, offset 50 millimeter, enter, line L, enter, length 300, offset 50, line L, enter, offset 25, rectangle, enter, repeat rectangle, offset 65, line L, enter, offset 12.5, enter, rectangle, enter, repeat rectangle, go distance DI, enter, distance, first point, second point 770. Okay, go calculator, 770, deduct 50, enter, divide 3, 240. Okay, again distance DI, enter, first point, second point 185, go rectangle, enter, first corner point, dimension D, enter, 185, enter, 240, enter, click here, copy CO, enter, select object, base point, click, repeat copy, select object, type from, (25), enter, repeat from, click here, 25, enter. Okay, exit, select line, delete, rectangle, delete, 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 go trim TR, enter, double enter, enter, go view control, select SW isometric. Okay, now go press full, select 75 millimeter, enter, select 75 millimeter, enter. Repeat, press pull, select 25 millimeter, enter. Press full, 25 millimeter, enter. Press full, 5 millimeter, enter. Press full, 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay, exit, go move and enter. Select object, select, enter. Base point, second point, click here. Okay, now go quick select, Q select, select object, click, select area, enter. Object type 3D solid. Okay, go move and enter. Click here, click here. Okay, go union, select object, enter. Okay, now go visual style control, select realistic, go view, material browser, click here, select AutoCAD library, click library, select glass, blue green glass, select, drag and drop, okay, go library, AutoCAD, wood, select teak, drag and drop, select material, drag and drop, okay, exit from material browser, go visual style control, select 2D frame, quick select, Q select, select object, select area, enter. Object type 3D solid, select. Okay, copy, CO, enter. Base point, second point, click here. Okay, exit, go home tab. Now go visual style control, select realistic, go quick select, Q select, select object area, enter. Object type 3D solid. Okay, go rotate gizmo, select this plane, angle 90, enter. Select move gizmo, select this X. Okay, exit, select delete. Okay, go visual style control, 2D frame, go polysolid, width W, enter. 225 width, enter. height h, enter 2800, enter, click here, enter, okay, line L, enter, click 600, enter, 600, enter, 1350, enter, 1200, enter, 1350, enter, click here, exit, go visual style control, realistics, press full, click here, okay, enter, go move, M, enter, select object, enter, base point, press F8, type from, enter, click here, press F8 again, distance, type 50, enter, okay, let's see, go orbit, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.